When you're looking for a building, you want strength, reliability, and something that lasts, without the headaches. You're looking for a SteelMaster building. It starts with the steel. Our panels are made from premium 80-grade steel, up to 60% stronger than what many competitors use. That means serious durability. We also use heavier gauges, 22 to 13 gauge steel, while others often stick to 29 or 26, which can be flimsy. Every SteelMaster building comes with US state-stamped engineered blueprints to make permitting easier. Competitors often just factory plans that may cause delays. Even the small details matter, from self-locking nuts and corrosion-resistant hardware to thicker Galvalume Plus coating that fights rust and fading. Our buildings are designed to last for years to come. And for further security, it all comes with a 50-year steel mill-backed warranty, compared to the 10 to 30 years you'll usually find elsewhere. At SteelMaster, we don't just meet standards, we set them.